Hey guys, thank you for clicking on the video. I got the bike right behind me. This has been a long time coming, but it's finally time for another episode of the build series on the MT-07 Stunt bike. Since it's been so long, I actually lost some footage and I found that some footage has like damaged audio that I can't use. So I figured I'll just explain what we've been doing, put some videos overlay, and then we'll jump into like the reveal when I get to see it for the first time. Starting off, we had broken plastics. You can't tell now, but we had some damage on the tank. We had to sort that out. We did a janky ass fix because we were gonna put graphics on top either way. We heated it up, pressed out the dent, sanded it down. We took the only thing we had around, which was super glue, to fill it up. Then we sanded it again. It looked hella ugly, but you can't tell through the graphics. Like, it was smooth, so we're good. Designing this kit, I've always loved the gold and black. So that's what we've been blacking out the bike. We've changed the rims to black, got black plastics and black fairings and everything, but they were damaged, so we had to fix that. I felt like since it was a Japanese bike, we went with sort of like a Japanese dragon type of theme. Threw in some pink. Purple did not match the gold, so we're leaving the purple in 2024, moving forward. First design, I'm gonna be honest, I didn't love it. I'll throw some images on screen of like the first draft when I told him the concept. Then to clarify that I wanted more clean and simple, this is what I sent him. Just going off of that, he really cooked. Like, raw power graphics, threw it out the park. If you want a kit as well, support them, order from them. You get a discount link in the description, but only if you like it. I mean, my honest opinion is they have like the best price to quality on the market, but let's get on with it. So I left it with raw power graphics to put everything on. I hadn't seen the kit printed or anything, and we had a huge event at work the next day. So he was gonna bring the bike to the event. I get to see it for the first time. I will include some reactions of other people seeing the bike, and then I'll ride it a little bit. You get to see me ride it a bit, all right? But I'll jump you in there. I'll jump you in. We are at raw power graphics, dropping off the bike, and I think you're gonna love this. All right, we just dropped the bike off. Next time we're gonna see it, it's gonna be way different, and that's tomorrow at the big event for the reveal. For me, it's gonna be a whole night, but for you guys, it's just a couple of seconds. We've made it to location. The bike is supposed to be here somewhere. We have all the demo bikes. We got Langos machine, and I think I see it way over there on the trailer. They're unloading it, but from here, it looks freaking dope, man. I'm so excited. And look at these dudes. Yo! All right, time to look at it for the first time. What do we got cooking? What do we got cooking? Good looking! Goodness gracious! That's so damn fresh, man! Yeah, that turned out so sick. I can't wait to get everybody's reaction to it.
Glider in igen och träffar på någon sjuk typ. Han sa att han satt inne nyss men inte ut. Vilken tur att jag inte ställer frågor, inga hur. Men jag kan se på dina gaddar att du varit där förut. Men vi är här för att ha kul och inget annat. Har du taskig attityd så taggat till grannen, det är öppet hus. Och allt är bra, det är gott och blandat. Folk idag. 3 trappor upp hittar du softzone. En skön blandning av romkom och allsång. Skugglukt från entrén till balkong. Farsta, glitter och grabbar som snackar kampsport. 3 trappor upp hittar du softzone. En skön blandning av romkom och allsång. Skugglukt från entrén till balkong. Farsta, glitter och grabbar som snackar kampsport. Smider planen som aldrig kommer se dagsljus. Jag och 4 främlingar ska plötsligt bygga bastu. Det är standard att bestämma en del, men när man vaknar upp rent så vill man aldrig någonsin träffas mer. Solen stiger så det börjar ju bli dags att dra.
Åh, Langos! Kom igen!
Öga för öga, tand för tand. Jag taggar härifrån med någons krocks i min hand. 3 trappor upp.
Vilken maskin!
En skön av romkom och allsång. Skugglukt från entrén till balkong. Farsta, glitter och grabbar som snackar kampsport. 3 trappor upp hittar du softzone. En skön blandning av romkom och allsång. Skugglukt från entrén till balkong. Farsta, glitter och grabbar som snackar kampsport. 3 trappor upp hittar du softzone. En skön blandning av romkom och
Very nice!
Skugglukt från entrén till balkong. Farsta, glitter och grabbar som snackar kampsport.
Man, just look at that. Raw power graphics just knocked this out the park. I have a matching helmet I will show you guys shortly. The Grom is getting the same style of kit. The go-kart will be getting the same style of kit. Everything will be matching. We will have a theme for the channel and the accounts. You will finally be able to recognize me every time I'm out on a ride. You won't be guessing like, is that Dang Stunt or not? If you like how this bike turned out and you also want to get a kit like this, you can use the discount link in the description. If you want this style, get the holographic material with a matte finish. It's just, it's money, bro. It is money. Shout out Latitude for sending me energy drinks. Shout out, who's that? More info to come about that. All we got left now is put a handbrake kit on, get the rims done, because I do have something planned for the rims. We'll see how that plans out. That will be coming shortly. Same time as the Grom, so I think we'll do a dual reveal. And I want to change the gearing. Stock gearing was not doing it for me. Still undecided, but we will get something nice. That's two. Like, so gearing and handbrake kit, then I think it's pretty much done. At some point we might do a dented tank, and I have been thinking about changing the subframe to make mounting license plate more easy. Like, it's zip tied there. I don't know, bros. I have like 7 videos recorded for you guys already, and I just keep recording more than I can edit, and it's backing up, but it's too much good content for y'all to miss, and I will get better. I'm sitting up late nights editing for you guys, so if you enjoy the videos, I would really appreciate it if you like hit that subscribe, like it, maybe watch another one, and I will see you max a week. At least 1 video a week, guys. Hopefully 1 to 2, alright? Take care, bye.